Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with, of course, another human hair wig review. Now today's wig I received from a store off of Amazon by the name of GOODSIS, so make sure you guys check the description box below for the link in case you are interested. But they reached out to me and asked me to review, I believe this is their 28-inch body wave lace front wig. So I'm gonna give you guys all the tea about this wig. I really do like her. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys construction of the cap, then I'll give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So if you are interested in hearing about this beautiful body wave 28-inch wig from GOODSIS, then keep watching.
Singing this love song, she got me up all night. Constant drinking and love songs, she got me up all night. Down and out with these love songs, she got me up all night. Drowning out with these love songs, she got me up all night. All I'm singing is love songs, she got me up all night. Constant drinking and love songs, she got me up all night. Down and out with these love songs, she got me up all night. Drowning out with these love songs.
So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the center front, and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap. Now it has a little lace in the back, which I did not cut off, and then of course the lace in the front, which I did cut, of course. You guys saw that lace was pretty long, okay, but I like the way that the lace looked, okay? I definitely like the way that it looked. So let me go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. So again, this is from the GOODSIS store on Amazon. This is their 28-inch body wave 13x4 lace front wig. And it retails for $178.99. Now right now they do have a $60 coupon that you can apply that will take $60 off of the total. All right, so it's 100% human hair, natural unprocessed color or natural black, soft durable Swiss lace, cap size adjustable, no glue, no sew-in, realistic, no shedding. Now the cap size is about 22.5 inches. The density is 180%. The density is definitely there. I did notice that. They said that the lace is HD transparent lace. They also come in other lengths, so if you do not want 28 inches, you can get a shorter length. I think that's pretty much it. Now this wig did come with baby hairs. The baby hairs weren't short, so of course you would have to go, you know, trim them down a little bit, but I didn't use the baby hairs today at all. I just brushed them in and gave myself a side part. Now I did spray this wig down. Okay, I definitely sprayed this wig down. I sprayed it to the best of my abilities. I cut the lace to the best of my abilities for the sake of this video, and y'all saw how long the lace front was. So right here, you see how I tried my best to spray that down a little bit. So that's one reason why I kind of have the hair over here hiding that. I think this side is okay, not too bad. But yeah, that lace was pretty long. But I definitely like the way that the lace looked on this wig. So yeah, but this is how she's looking Now I did put some powder in the part. I did put some right here also. I did use my hair wax. I used my Got To Be spray and my Ebon spray as well. Brushed her out a little bit, and this is how she's looking. This is so gorgeous. Normally when I get a body wave wig, I'm not a fan of it because the curls fall so quickly. Now these fell a little bit, but you can still tell that this is a body wave wig, okay? It's gorgeous. I really do like it. I'm loving the length. 28 inches, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how she looks in the front, side, back, and other side. So really gorgeous. Hair is soft. I love her. I really love her. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, the texture, all that good stuff. Is this your type of wig? How does this wig look on me? Y'all know the usual, okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.